Hey entrepreneurs, ever wondered what the best way is to speak fluent Chinese to your Chinese clients and also business partners? Without going through lengthy textbooks and learning irrelevant Chinese topics and conversations. Without sacrificing time with your family. Without giving up watching TV dramas and movies. In fact, what if I share with you there's a highway to fluency framework? If you ever feel like Chinese is so hard, it takes years to speak fluent Chinese, I don't know where to get started, then you are in the right place. Because I'm launching a free 5 days Chinese Zero to Hero challenge. That's going to help you skyrocket your Chinese learning result in less than 5 days. And the coolest thing is, it's free. And I know you are skeptical. Come on, you look so young. How come you are the expert? Why should I trust you? That's why I'm going to show you how to study less and progress more. You can learn as many phrases as possible, as many sentences as possible, but chances are you will still not get there because it's the strategies that really move the needle. I've been learning a second language since I was 7 years old. Not only I help myself, but I help so many entrepreneurs and professionals from around the world maximize their learning result and minimum the time. Even if you think Chinese people speak so fast, Chinese tones are difficult, Chinese Hanzi characters are so complicated. So the next step is simple. Comment me below and I'll get back to you with more details.